what's up? Good morning. My name is Viviana. I am the marketing director for Nativo Açaí, and we are going to be making ourselves a delicious acai smoothie on this lovely morning. So let's do it. Okay, so I took everything out. I like to put into my acai smoothie a couple different ingredients. However, it is completely up to your personal preference. You can play around with it and see what you want to add, what you don't want to add, and that's the beauty about acai. It tastes good with everything. I'm gonna make this smoothie with our fused acai. We also have our puro bars and our pitaya and our scoopable, but I'm gonna go ahead and start with our fused bars and make a smoothie with this one. I'm gonna throw this in here. Some milk, some creamer, some orange juice, some apple juice. We're gonna throw in some frozen strawberries. And that is it. We're gonna blend this bad boy up. Let's do it. Okay, cheers. Let's try it out. Oh my God, too good.